Hello viewer, I am 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 and in this video I will show you how you can get Skillshare 2-month account or 3-month account or 1-month account for completely free. Here you can see I had just created yesterday a video about yesterday this account. Here you can see the membership and payment. Your next yearly charge $24 will be applied to your primary payment method on April 4 and today date is 2 February and maybe you are watching this video on 4 or 6 February. So let's start this tutorial. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then please visit my YouTube channel. You will find some awesome useful content, and also like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel to reach 2K subscriber. Let's start this tutorial. First of all, go to your browser and search Skillshare, then click on first link or maybe first link or second link. Please follow this all the step. Don't worry if you don't have a card, then you can contact me on Instagram or simply visit my blog website for card, how you can get card to create a Skillshare account. Just to load this complete website, you can also accept all the, or you can also use any. Then click on this sign up button. Then click on sign up using your email address. You can also use Yahoo Mail, Hotmail Mail, or Outlook Mail, or Gmail address, or Temple, anything. Click on sign up button. Then here you need to type your password. Then fill this captcha, I am not a robot, and click on this continue button. Just ignore this 7 days trial. Start your free 7 days trial. It will be 2 month or 3 month according to what you want to use. So for if you need to create for 1 month account, then use this coupon code, and if you want to create for 2 months, then use this coupon code, and I will add for 3-month coupon code in this video description or on my blog website. Then scroll down and here you can see gift code or discount code. Simply paste here, remove the space and click on apply button. Here you can see 2 month and start your 2-month trial. Then just add your card detail, and if you don't have a card detail, then contact me on Instagram, I will provide you there, or simply visit my blog website. Here is my blog website, that is khalifa.blogs.blogspot.com, and I will post there how you can get Skillshare, uh, how you can get card for Skillshare, or how you can create a VCC card for to get any platform trial. So you need to visit my website, and if you are looking for SEO tool, then I will suggest you to buy from this website bundledseo.com, and if you use my coupon code, that is 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴, then you will get 20% discount. Here you can see the many more tools are available. In a $10 you will get SEMrush, Grammarly, Coolbot, Word AI, and Ubersuggest. In a $15 you will get all of these tools. Same as in a $30 you will get Ahref, SEMrush, Grammarly, and many more tools. So if you use my coupon code 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴, then you will get 20% discount. And if you need anything from this, then you can contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a cheap price, like Prime Video or old Facebook page or GitHub Student Developer Pack or Skillshare for 2 months, 3 months, or 1 month, or Canva Premium for 1 year, 6 months, or 1 month, or Grammarly Premium private account on your email address, or Office 365 key or Windows 10 11 key. I will provide you in a cheap price. So, and if you are looking for any WordPress theme and plugin, then please contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a cheap price, genuine version, that is not a cracked or not version, like GeneratePress, Newspaper, Jana, ClickMag, Extra, many WordPress theme are available, and plugin DV, Elementor, Rank Math Pro, and many WordPress plugins are also available. So if you need anything from this list, then you can contact me on Instagram, or I will provide you in a cheap price. If you are still watching this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video.